Scooters all the way down to the front, and walkers too.
Come on in, folks. Welcome to Grizzly Hall. Now, if you're thinking of taking our picture, make sure you get our good side.
Which side is that? The one mounted to the back of this wall. The day the songs will be stuck in my head.
Where else would they get stuck? We don't have bodies.
Flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight.
Do we? Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody. Now, little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the 5 Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Knee slapping, toe tapping jubilee. Coming early, playing late.
No time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait for our Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Settle in. Bring all your friends. Got some fancy prancing and some fair square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our Country Bear Musical Jamboree. They still sound pretty good. And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why, but
plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish? You're making me hungry. Not me. I'm stuffed.
Okay, now, our next performer used to play with the mineral cake, but is here now. A furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. I'm a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights. And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks. Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a pal who's as sweet to him as sweet. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. We need each other to raise us up and round us out. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, but when push comes to shove, the only fixer-upper picture that'll fix a fixer-upper is true. True, 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 true love.
Remember me. Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home. Poor guy. Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me.
Hi, Sammy. You've got problems.
I got them too.
There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Aw, say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, you hear?
We hope that you'll be coming back again. That you'll drop in and see us now and then. We've done our very best to please with just the bare necessities. We hope that you'll be coming back again.
Come again, please return. Come again anytime.